Following your transaction status on the CIPC online transacting system is simple. To track your transaction status for name reservations, company registrations, company director changes, or close corporation member amendments, visit www.cipc.co.za. From the top menu bar, select Online Transacting and select e-Services from the drop-down tab. You will be redirected to the e-Services login screen. Click on Customer Login. Complete the required fields. Please note that it is case sensitive. Type in the security code. The security code is also case sensitive. Click on CIPC Terms and Conditions to read it. Click on the circle next to it to accept the terms and conditions. Click on Login. You will then be redirected to the e-Services landing page. Select Transaction Status. Click on the type of transaction you would like to track. Enter your tracking number and click on Continue. To track the progress of any other documents, go to Online Transacting, select Customers Transactions.